Hi everyone, I am here with an Aliexpress haul. Look at my goodies that I have here. Just want to share this with you because I've got some real bargains today and some really lovely oh, I'm sorry Charles, am I ignoring you? Some really lovely goodies. So let me push these to one side for a minute out and I will show you the lovely goodie things that I have got. So the first thing are these 144 foam flowers, and they have got diamantes on them. They're a cream colour. Oh, I don't know how that's got stuck on there. They were £2.48 for 144, and I haven't even opened them yet. But they have got, they're actually really beautiful. They've got this lovely net behind them. Can you see them like that? And then they've got like the diamante in the middle, and obviously you've got all the stems back here. So let me see if I can get one out for you just so that you can see what it looks like. Look at that. How beautiful are these? Look at these. They are just stunning. I absolutely love them. And they are, look, I mean, how many do you get? I mean, look, so many. There are just lots and lots and lots there, and they're just absolutely, stunning. So I should be using them on some of my projects. Where am I going to put these, Charles? I do not know. Then I had also ordered, now I wanted to order some sequins, little diamantes, but they are really small. I think they're supposed to be for nails, and so I messed up a little bit with this one, but I could use these ones in here on projects. They are £2.23 and you get loads, hundreds and hundreds, but I think that they're actually more for nails, so I might be giving them to my daughter because she does nails. As you can see, oh look, I've got a cool pair of tweezers in there though. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see. Look at that bonus. Oh, okay, so these were £2.23, but actually look what I've got in here. I didn't even know. Look, oh my goodness me, how handy are these tweezers? Look at those. You actually get the tweezers and all of these sequins and a pencil. But look, actually I could use the ones in the middle for sure. They're big enough to use on projects. So I've got lots of sparklies and a new pair of tweezers. So it wasn't such a mess up, was it? Right. Let me just pop that in the, oh, missed the bin completely. The next thing I have, these are £1.03 for 100, and they are these lovely, gorgeous, what I would use as centres for things, but not, you don't have to use them for centres. Lovely, sort of sparkly centre pieces. They are gorgeous, love them, lots of different colours. So there's 100 in there. And then I also ordered these little tiny flowers, which were 77p for, it says 1,000. Look at those. I wouldn't fancy counting them out, would you? Just adorable to stick on projects. Charles, stop headbutting it. Excuse me. Then from my favourite seller, my lady, the ribbon seller on there, have ordered some more yummy things. This was 88p, and it's ow, he's biting me. This is a fun fringe sort of thing for a journal. Just lovely and yummy, really gorgeous. And then for £2.25, look at all these. So if you're looking for an assortment of ribbons, you know, and you just want little bits, but you want to have some in your collection, look at this. I mean, there's Christmassy ones, there's cutesy grow gain, and look at this little ballerina one, that is so cute. This flower one is beautiful. Then you've got like Christmassy ones in here. Just a lovely assortment. They are a random mix. There's some silver, some black, some hearts, lots of satin, another floral one. Oh, look at this lovely sparkly pink one, and some lovely gold. I don't know if I was in shot when I showed those other ones, especially that one. Look at that, that is super cute. So all of these here were £2.25, and I think it's 20 yards. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 6, 38, 40, 43 different designs of ribbon. So that will keep you going for a while, but it gets even better than that. I ordered another random mix, and I've actually been tidying some of them up because they came, ow, stop it, all loose. I'm sorry, he's biting me off camera. And these were £2.30, and look at this. Look at all of this that you get for £2.30. I mean, are you serious? It is just so much. Look at all of this. You get flowers in here. What happened there? My camera cut out. So I was just saying, look at all this loveliness. I mean, you get all this lovely, different, oh, it's just beautiful. Look at this. Look. I mean, there is so much in here. I mean, it's so many assortments and different lovely, look at these. I mean, this was £2.30 for all of these reds and pinks and flowers, Christmassy ones. Just too many to, this is a lovely one as well. It's like a velvet in the middle. And this one has got this beautiful, look at this. Just gorgeous. I think it was something like, oh, I don't know if it's 50 grams or 100 grams of ribbon. I'm not sure, but I mean, just look at all this. I mean, you know, there are so many lovely ribbons in here, and this gives you a great assortment. Look at this. I mean, just beautiful. Love this flower one. And this gorgeous organza. And look at that one, this one here, look. I mean, really, really, a really cost-effective way to have a different assortment of ribbons. And stop it, you are being really, really naughty today. I've just noticed in that other one, there's a lovely one. But anyway, this is my ribbon and sparkly things haul. Lots of Christmassy ones in here as well. Some tartan. I love these flowers, actually. These flowers are just beautiful. I have made a complete mess of my desk. I will put all of the links to buy these products in the description. But if you are looking for a really, really varied assortment of ribbons in a very cost-effective way, look at that, happy every day, that says. This is definitely the way to go with this seller. Just gorgeous. I mean, you know, both lots of ribbons, just beautiful. Really, really is. What's this one say? Oh, it says love. Look. Too many to go through, actually. Oh, I love this one. I know I've shown you this one, but I do really love this. Look, it's got like a really lovely lacy end on that. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Right, okay. So, oh, I've seen this one as well. Look at this one. This one's really sparkly and pink. Do you know, when I was younger, I didn't like pink, but hot pink, I love pink now. Hot pink is one of my favourite colours now, whereas I never used to really like pink. I love it now. Right, so I'm going to love you and leave you. I need to tidy up this desk now before the naughty Charlie gets his little paws on my ribbons, as he's already tried biting me today. And I shall see you all very, very soon. If you do want any of these, I will put them in the link below, a link in the description below. Take care for now. Bye bye.